Welcome back. Now that we have created a project, let's take a first look at the default layout. Personally, I don't like to work with the default setup, so let's customize it. In the top right corner of the Unity's interface, you will see a layout drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to see the available layout options. I prefer the tall layout, so I will select that. Feel free to choose whichever layout you prefer. Remember, you can customize all the tabs according to your preference. I like to have my hierarchy and project tab on the left side of the screen, and I place my scene and game tab in the middle of the scene. Okay, before we go any further, let's switch our project to Android platform. Go to the files and select build settings. In the build settings window, choose Android, click the switch platform button. This process might take a little time. It's a good practice to switch your target platform at the start, especially if you are planning to make an Android game. You can switch your platforms later, but it will take extra time as Unity will need to reconfigure some files for the new platform. So it's done now. Close the tab. Now you can choose the aspect ratio. I'm choosing this one. We have set up a project and switched to the Android platform. We are ready to continue. See you there in the next lesson.